Hello everyone, today we will be building an easy gold grinder, and it's better if you're on the white team for this, just like me. So yeah, for this build you're gonna need about 18 to 15 bucks of choice, I don't remember. 2 legacy wheels, 3 magnets, and a plain seat. So first, you want to place 2 blocks up, and then, no, 3 blocks up, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now, you want to get your legacy wheels, place one right here, and one right here. Now, you want to get yourself a magnet. Place it right in the middle. Place 2 of them right in the middle. And now, you want to place one right there. And now, you just want to place a singular little chassis. But now, you want to select 2 wheels and unbind them. So now you just want to launch and do it. So yeah, so that's how you make your thingy. But right now I'm just gonna get to the end. I'm probably gonna time lapse it. No, actually no, I'm not gonna time lapse because this is really fast. I think it's working. Yes, it's still working. Just something starts happening, just try and fix it. And adapt to everything. Okay, go sideways. Okay. Oh. No. Okay. So that's a really good gold grinder, and if you save it and respawn it a bunch of times, you can get lots of gold. And yeah, so that's how you build a really easy gold grinder and build a boat for treasure. Also, remember to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.